Watch me, Daddy!
Don't throw mud at me.
Don't start crying. Monica attacked me with mud. And I'm gonna get her back.
She's hosing herself off. Come on, hose yourself.
No, I want to play in the mud. Right over here. It's nice and fresh.
She's a mess here.
I'm gonna bury myself.
Well, the time and date is about correct. Doesn't she look pretty?
Hi.
Hi.
I got sand in my mouth and got my asshole.
You look really good. Are you done playing now?
What?
Are you done playing?
No. Are we done playing? No, I want to still play. I'm cold now.
I'm afraid that...
Get Monica, Dad.
Yeah, you guys have such a mess. I got her. You guys have such a mess there, it's going to be hard to dry it out now.
Come on, You're the one who said we could jump in it.
Well, that's fine, but I didn't expect you to be like animals.
Monica, come on.
I want those dogs cleaned off too.
Monica, stay, see.
You rammed her head into the bank. This is the start of our new addition. She's not good. Look at that dorky dog. Bye bye.
You're gonna show this to your boyfriend when you're old.
That's
Bethy.
Beth, look.
Look at her hair. You guys are all gonna get in the shower.
No, I thought we were gonna go inside and watch TV. Here, let me do that. No.
It's way on the top, Beth.
No, where's the bottom one? Oh, there's a root in my hair. My hair's peeling.
Look at the mud.
Hi.
Hi. Are you muddy?
There's Stubby. I'm pretty. That's my cat.
Your cast, not too bad. Just a little mud.
My pubics are full of mud.
We'll clean them off.
Pubics are full of mud. You can douche tomorrow.